Yes, to the big news that, let's be honest, we all saw this coming. For months we've been saying J-Lo and A-Rod are going to get engaged, and we're finally right. We knew it. See, we called this months ago. But they got engaged over the weekend. They are down in the Bahamas on vacation, and there's the ring. That was her post. Alex's post said, what it was that she said yes? Yeah. Of course she said yes.
Yeah,
of course you knew she was going to say yes.
In addition to that, he also posted the definition of soulmate. So we all saw this coming. They've been together for about 2 years now.
Is it that long?
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
it's
guys.
been 2 years.
A
Wow.
little
2
over
years.
2 years, actually. And if you remember, this is kind of like A-Rod's dream, because about 20 years ago, she signed an autograph for him, and he was super stoked about that, posted that, and then here we are, flash forward to Saturday when they both posted the ring. It's amazing.
We've been hearing rumors, you know, about them getting engaged since really the very beginning of their relationship, because they moved along pretty quickly in terms of like going Instagram official, going out together to official engagement.
Doing everything
Yeah,
together.
but I think there's a
and doing
bigger
everything.
thing that was a sign early on. And I actually saw this at an event that I happened to be at. Their families blended very early. And his kids were real
get
close
along
to
very much with
her,
her
and
kids.
then vice versa.
Yeah.
And when you saw, as soon as I saw that they were really,
Right.
they were blending these kids into a family, I thought, okay, well, this is a matter of time.
The kids have been a part of their relationship, like as you said, since the very beginning. They vacation together, the whole like the blended family, and that's been really important to both of them. And they've documented that on their Instagrams as well. So we've been able to see it all sort of play out.
Yep.
Good for them.
Okay.